Hello, Tech Whizzes, and welcome to part 2 of Make Code Microbit, BBC Microbit. So, today we are going to learn about LED. In the last video, I told the full form of LED, which is a light emitting diode. We are going to make cool shapes and all with this. So let's get started. What is basically an LED? An LED is basically a small things on your microbit. They even have names. This is 0, means the Y is also 0 and the X is also 0. See? This was the LED that said that. Now, to make cool projects with these types of things, you just have to try and figure it out. If you keep doing this, then you'll soon figure out what's going on. You just have to keep duplicating everything till you finally figure out what's going on. And once you test it out, you'll see something amazing happening. So, look, it made a line. So that's basically what's going on, isn't it? To make sure your programs are always right, you always have to test them out. And if they're not right, then they could give you a warning or something like that. Now, all you have to do is duplicate the same thing, but with the last part. Then you'll see a cool thing happening. Now, wait for it, and look. Would you look at that? Isn't that cool? So now you just have to, it's basically just 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? It may not seem that easy, but it is. It's just lighting up a bunch of LEDs. And then you just have to change them into 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be 3, this would be 2, this would be 1, this would be 0. Now let's see what will happen when I press button on A plus B. It made a diagonal line. Now B. A. It wrote C. Isn't that cool? So that's basically what you can do with these LEDs. You can write shapes, you can make numbers, you can do anything. You can even draw pictures. If I want to draw a heart, what would I do? What LED is this? It's 2, 4. So in the code, I just have to write 2, 4. Now, let's see. 2, 4, what one is this? 1, 3. And then 0, 2. 0, 2. So let's see. This, 0, 2. 0, 1. 0, 1. Then up here, which one is this? 1, 0. 1, 0. Then let's see what else we've got. This one is 2, 1. 2, comma 1. Then let's see what else we can do. We can even, so that made half of the heart. So we basically have to, let's see what happens when I press button A plus B. Oopsie, I missed a LED. What one is this? 1, comma 2. It ruined my heart. Anyways. Something doesn't seem right here. Oh, I missed an LED. I also forgot that the numbers in the microbit and the laptop start with 0. Though on the keyboard it doesn't. It starts with 1. There. Now y'all want to see what's going to happen. Look, it made a half heart. Now if we duplicate it, write the numbers like this one. What's this? It's 3, comma 0. Now we can move button B and just see what's this one. It's 3, comma 0. 3, comma 0. What's this one? Let me just see. It's 4, comma 1 and 4, comma 2. So 3, comma 0, 4, comma 1, 4, comma 1, 4, comma 4, comma 2. 2. The heart got a little ruined. 4, comma 0. Where's 4, comma 0? Oh, here it is. Had to delete that. Sometimes copy pasting also makes your code ruined. Okay, now just one last LED we need. Duplicate. Now what that LED is supposed to be. Let's see. 3, comma 3. Nice numbers. Now let's take 3, comma. Should be here 3. And we could put it here, so all of it happens on just one button. Look! It made a heart! Ain't that nice? So if you want to make more amazing projects like this, stay tuned. Bye!